In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification in Gmail. Fix Today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, click the Manage Your Google Account button. This will open your Google account settings page in a new tab. On the left sidebar menu, click Security and Sign In. Scroll down until you find the section labeled How You Sign In to Google. In that section, click Two-Step Verification. You'll be taken to the two-step verification page. Click two-step verification again to begin the setup process. If prompted, enter your account password and click Next to continue. After confirming your password, you'll see a page explaining how two-step verification helps protect your account by adding an extra layer of security. Locate the blue Turn On button and click it to activate the feature. Once you click Turn On, you may see a status message indicating that two-step verification is being enabled. Wait for the process to complete. When it's finished, you should see a confirmation message stating that you're now protected with two-step verification. From now on, whenever you sign into your Google account, you'll be asked to complete a second verification step in addition to entering your password. Make sure your recovery information and verification methods are always up to date so you don't lose access to your account. You can test it by signing out and signing back in to experience the additional security step. Congratulations!